Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create a tree link on TikTok. Right, so a tree link is actually a link that when a user clicks, it displays your social media links and your website links. Alright, so it's a very simple link that you can add on your TikTok profile. Now let me show you how you can create this link and add on your TikTok profile. It's very easy. So we can use a website called TreeLink for this. So all you have to do is to go to a browser. So you just have to go to a browser and visit treelink.com. Or rather Linktree. Sorry, it's Linktree, not TreeLink. Linktree. And then you have to sign up for a free account. So you can sign up for a free account using your email address. So enter my email address, and then you just have to create a username for your Linktree account. Now as you can see, I have this username added right here. So what I have to do next is to click on create account, and then I have to create a password. So I will create a simple password right away. And that's it. So I'll click on continue. And now it says tell us about yourself. So I can just say my name is Isaac. I'll just keep it simple and click on continue. And here you have to choose a category that describes your link tree. So I can say education, I can say professional digital creator. Alright, so just education. Alright, so sorry, just education. And then I'll click on it says pick your education category, so I can just say e-learning, and then I'll click on continue. And here it says find a plan for you. Alright, so I will choose the free plan for now. Yeah, that's what I'm going to choose, and I'll click on join for free. And then it says thanks for signing up. Right, so I'll click on continue. And it says choose an appearance. I'll choose the first one and click on continue. Alright, so here's it. So the next thing we have to do is to set up your link tree. So what do we have to do? The first step is to add 3 links. Alright, so I'm going to click on the first one, and I will enter the URL I want. So I'm going to enter the URL for my Facebook. So I'm going to paste the link right here and click on add. Right, so that's it. So I just added one. So I'll add another link. So I'll click on the add link. So this time around I'll add my Instagram link. Alright, so I just entered my Instagram link. I'll click on add. And now that's 2 out of 3. So I'll click on the add link again to add my Twitter link. Or rather, I'll just enter my Spotify account link here. Yeah, so people can stream my song. And then I'll click on add. Okay, so I have 3 links added right here. Alright. So guys, so what I just have to do is to go to my email and verify the link that was sent to me. So I have to go to my email. A link was sent to me, so I have to verify that. Alright, so this is the link that was sent to me. I'm going to click on the verify email to verify this. And then it says your account has been verified, so I'm going to click on the sign in to continue. Alright, so these are the link that was added: my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Spotify. And if you scroll up to the top, it says your link tree is live. Alright, so I can just copy my URL. As you can see, there's a copy URL option at the top. I'll just copy URL, and then I'll go to my TikTok and post it and paste it right there. Alright, so let's head to TikTok. So this is my TikTok profile. I'll click on the edit profile, then I'll go to the website section, and then I'll get this link out of the way, and I'll paste my link tree here. As you can see, this is it, and then I'll click on save. Alright, then after saving it, I'll go back. So if a user comes to my profile, alright, first of all, let me refresh my page. It has not updated on my page. I have to do that again. Alright, so it has updated. So if a user comes, click on the link just like this, then let's see what's going to pop up. So as you can see, it's going to show the user my Spotify, my Instagram, and my Facebook accounts. So the user can choose to click on any of them to visit any of the link. Alright, and also the user can create their own link. As you can see, there's a create your link tree at the bottom of the screen. So that's it, guys. So this is how you can actually create a link tree on this is how you can create a link tree and add on your TikTok profile. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and please subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.